Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a kit up and chat. Yes, we're doing a kit up and chat. I'll show you a picture. I picked out a new diamond painting. It's a 30 by 40. So I'm praying and hoping for a quick finish. This is a girl I bought when I was obsessed with my candy girls. She's one of my candy girls, except she's like a strawberry girl with flowers maybe. I'm not sure. I can't really tell. But I know there's strawberries. She's got strawberries in her hair and stuff. So, another one for the wall. We're gonna kit her up. There's 27 colors. I'm gonna put them in my Craftmates containers. They're pre-bagged drills, so this should go fairly quick. I'm just gonna ramble while I do this. So, hope you guys are doing well out there. Hope you're enjoying the last little bits of summer. I am, kinda. This week I have work every single day. I even had work on Sunday, and I don't normally work Sundays. One of my coworkers is on her vacation, so I got her hours this week. I got some extra hours, which doesn't hurt because I have credit card bills and whatnot. So I'm just doing the damn thing this week. I'm hanging in by a thread, pretty much. I'm very tired. It's only Monday and I am exhausted already. I am already pooped. I had to break down 2 pallets of frozen food today and I wasn't happy about it. I did it to help out my coworker. I really didn't want her doing it because, you know, she's over 70. I mean, granted, she helps me out. She's very helpful, but I don't know, sometimes I feel bad if she gets stuck doing it. So anyways, Julio got one of his surgeries scheduled for September 22nd, his heart surgery. So I figure I'd just let you guys know, because I've been letting you guys know what's going on. So yeah, he's going for his heart surgery. Nothing major. They're just plugging a hole in his heart to close it up, so he is no longer a stroke risk for his tumor surgery that he has to have in his brain. So he cannot go into the tumor surgery being a stroke risk, obviously. Oh, if you're curious how these Craftmates open, if you have never seen these before, there's 7 in a row. Yeah, 3, 6, 7. Yeah, 7 in a row. They have a little knot, a little button right here. Press the button, flips open. And then they click back in place. They're pretty cool. And there's a lot of room in these. You could fit a decent amount of drills in these containers. You'd be surprised. It is on the more, I want to say, expensive side. The Craftmates run you about $22, $23. But when Prime is having sales, sometimes you can get it for $17. I picked up like 3 or 4 of them at once because Prime was having a sale, and I got them for $17 a piece. So I made sure I picked up I think I may have bought like 3 or 4 of them, because it's like unheard of that they're ever that price. Sorry if I sound so rushy today. It's 3 something and I have my nutritionist appointment at 3:30 today, so I was trying to bang out a video before my nutritionist appointment. I was trying to put out a video for my fellow diamond painters out there. We will do a little whip and chat when we start this, but at some point. A lot of pretty colors in this canvas. A lot of pinks, purples, and it has ABs. It's really, really gorgeous. I'm really excited about this. I took a really good look at it before I picked this canvas out. I was going to pick another canvas that I really wanted to do, but I couldn't find the drills. I am not very organized with my drills in the basement. So a lot of my drills to a lot of canvases that I would like to do are probably missing in action. I don't know where they are. I have no clue where they are. They could be up in my bedroom somewhere. I have no clue. I better start looking though. Other than that, things are going well. I go on, well, I don't go on vacation, but I am going to be at home on vacation Labor Day week. So I'm really excited about that. It'll be next week. So after this long pain in the butt week at work, I'll have a nice week off. I'll have a nice like 8 days off, I think. That'll be nice. Let's see. If you haven't done so already, I put up a new short today. I was putting together a Lego red panda. It's pretty cool. It came out awesome. Didn't take me that long to make. So check out the short. It's sped up, so you don't have to sit there for 20 minutes watching me put together Legos. It's like a 30 or 40 second clip. And that's it for the drills. We kitted all up our drills. Now I'm going to, real quick, I'm going to, what was I going to do? Oh, I was going to lay down the release papers and some washi tape. Yeah, they're from Diamond Art Club. I bought these off of Amazon. You get a 200 pack for, I think it was like 12 bucks. Something along those lines. I'm running low on time. I'll probably do her face first today to make sure she's not busted. But if this is one of the canvases I bought ever so long ago, a couple years ago, when I was in that phase of buying nice 30 by 40s from AliExpress, then I'll have faith that she's going to look cute. Oh wow, these fit perfectly. Okay, you guys, she is prepped, she is ready to go. I really hope you enjoyed that quick little video. I'm sorry it was so quick. But there wasn't really much to kit up. It was only 27 colors. It does have 3 ABs in it and stuff, so it's gonna be nice and shiny. I'm really excited. But look out, you know, keep your notifications on. I will be uploading a whip and chat very, very soon. And that's it. So if you are new here and you're enjoying the content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell, that way you get notified of any new videos I upload. If you are returning, thank you for returning and joining me in today's video. I really hope you enjoyed your time here today. And without further ado, I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your week, a wonderful day or night wherever you are, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye guys.